Hello, it's Svetlana again. Let's learn how to create objects during the game. Let's select the spaceship's base and move it off the screen. Close the current logic branch and create a new one. Name it Game Init. In this branch, we will gather all actions related to the game's start. The first thing we'll do is make the spaceship appear in the center of the screen after the game starts. Let's craft an onInit block from the event section. This block will be activated once when the object appears in our scene. Let's attach this branch to the background. Select the background, go to Object Properties, scroll down to the Armory Trait section, click the plus sign, choose Nodes, and select the new branch, Game Init. Done. Now, if we start the game, our background will be created in the scene. And right after its appearance, this block will trigger. It will execute everything we attach to it, without repetition. Let's brainstorm how to make our spaceship appear in the center of the screen. The simplest way to do this is to use the setObjectLocation block. Specify the coordinates of the center of our scene. 0.75 on the x-axis and 0.5 on the y-axis. For the z-axis, we have 0.3. This logic branch is attached to the background, so if we leave the object field empty, our background will move to the center of the screen immediately after the start, like this. Therefore, we need to specify our base. Let's start the game and make sure the spaceship is in our scene. To make the game start more interesting, we can add a delay before the spaceship appears. Add a sleep block from the miscellaneous section and place it between the two blocks. Change the value to 1. Now, after starting the game, we'll have to wait for 1 second before the spaceship appears. Confirm this by running the game. Now, let's try another way to create an object. Remove the last block and create a spawn object block instead from the object section. Choose the base in the object field. The children checkbox must be activated. This means the base will appear on the screen along with all its child objects. And we have a picture of a ship attached to the base in case you forgot. If you uncheck it, the base will appear on the scene alone, without any children. And we won't see anything because the base is invisible. Don't rush to start the game. We haven't specified the coordinates yet, where the base should appear. We see a green input, called transform. We can connect a transform block from the variable section to it and specify the position in this block. In the location section, enter the coordinates of the center of the screen. Leave the other positions unchanged. Start the game. Everything works the same way. But now, we have a problem. We have two spaceships in the scene. To confirm this, just move the spaceship a little to the right, and you'll see another one flying in from off the screen. This happened because the spawn object block creates a copy of the specified object. At the start of the game, we already had a spaceship, it was just off screen. Then, 1 second after the start, we created an exact copy of it in the center of the screen. This copy inherited the player input logic branch, so you can control both spaceships. Naturally, this option is not suitable for us. And now I will show you the most correct way to spawn an object. Delete the spawn object block. Instead, find another one, almost the same, called spawn object by name. In this block, we must select the current scene and the name of the object we will spawn. To do this, select the base, press F2 to copy the selected name, exit renaming mode with the escape key, and then simply paste the copied name into the name field using Ctrl V. This block also works with objects that are not in the scene. We just need to remove our spaceship from the scene. It should not spawn when the game is loaded. Select the base, go to Object Properties. Find the Armory Props section and uncheck Spawn. Now, when you press the play button, the spaceship will not appear in the game. Let's check it. Disable the blocks to prevent object spawning. Let's move our ship onto the stage again and start the game. There is no object, and he won't show up. Move our spaceship back off the screen. Connect the blocks and run the game. After a second, our spaceship will appear in the center of the screen. And this time, there will only be one. That's it for today's short lesson. Rest up. Goodbye.